Good morning. I am Dibyendu Mondal. Today I am discussing about ocean energy. Ocean energy. Okay, ocean energy. Ocean cover about 71% of the Earth's surface. 71% of Earth's surface. Okay. They receive, store and dissipate energy through various physical processes. As per present technological status, recoverable energy in oceans exists mainly in the forms of wave, tide and temperature difference. Tide and wave produce mechanical energy. Tide and wave produce mechanical energy. Okay, tide and wave produce mechanical energy. First one, we discuss about tidal energy. Tidal energy tidal energy. Tidal energy exploits the natural rise and fall of coastal tidal waters, caused principally by the interaction of gravitational fields of the sun and the moon. The ocean level difference caused due to the tides contain large amount of potential energy. The highest level of tidal water is known as the highest level of tidal water is known as flood tide or high tide. Flood tide or high tide. Okay, highest level of tidal energy. Another one is the lowest level is known as low tide. Okay, lowest level known as low tide. Okay, low tide. The level difference between the high and low tide is known as tidal range. Okay, tidal range. The level difference between high tide and low tide is known as tidal range. Okay, the level difference between high and low tide, that is the tidal range. The tidal range varies greatly with location. Only sites with large tidal range above about 5 meter or more are considered suitable for power generation. Tidal mills were in use on the coast of Spain, France, UK and China during medieval period. Another one is the origin and nature of tidal energy. Origin origin and nature of tidal energy. Origin and nature of tidal energy. Okay. Tides are produced by the gravitational attraction of the moon and the sun acting upon the rotating earth. Okay, that is the earth. Okay, low tide, that is the high tide. Okay, that is the moon. Okay, earth. Okay, buzz on near and far side of the earth. So the tides are produced by the gravitational attraction of the moon and the sun acting upon the rotating earth. The moon exerts a larger gravitational force on the earth as it is a great deal closer than the sun. Surface water is pulled away from the earth on the side facing the moon, and at the same time the solid earth is pulled away from the water on the opposite side. Thus the ocean height increases at both the near and far side of the earth. Okay, far sides of the earth. Now, when the sun, earth and moon are aligned in conjunction, the lunar and solar tides are in phase, producing net tide of maximum range. These are the spring tides occurring twice per lunar month at times of both full and new moon. Okay. Now another one is the new moon and full moon. That is the, if you draw the diagram, that is the full moon. Okay, that is the full moon. Okay, there is the position of the earth. Okay, okay, that is the earth. Okay, that is the new moon. And sun. Okay, so first one, there is the position of the sun. First quarter, there is the position of the earth, and earth rotates. Okay, that is the first quarter. And that is the third quarter. Okay, so this is the and new moon. And if you draw the tides variation in a lunar month, okay, tides variation, first one is the tides variation. If you draw if you draw the tides variation, draw the line, and that is the like that. Okay. Like that. Okay. Tides variation. So first one is the new moon. Second one is the first quarter. First quarter. First quarter. Okay. Third one is the full moon. Full moon. Okay. Fourth one is the third quarter. Third quarter. Okay. Third quarter. Now, superimposed on this short-term variation caused by the sun-moon system, there are many other cycles of small magnitude with period ranging from days to years. For example, long-term yearly variation arise from the change in the distance of the earth from the sun during the year. Variation as the moon earth distance oscillates slightly in a period of 27.55 degree 55 solar days. Variation as the moon's plane of motion moves about 2 degree in and out of the earth sun elliptic plane. Okay. Another one is the limitations of tidal energy. The main limitation, what are the limitations of tidal energy? Okay, limitations of tidal energy. Okay, limitations of tidal energy. Limitations of tidal energy. Okay, limitations of tidal energy. The main limitations of tidal energy. First one, economic recovery of energy from tides is feasible. Economic recovery of energy. First one, economic recovery. Okay, economic recovery of energy from tides is feasible. Of energy from tides is feasible. Okay, economic recovery of energy from tides is feasible. Second one, due to mismatch of lunar driven period 12 hours 25 minutes, human period of 24 hours, the optimum tidal power generation is not in phase with demand. Another one is the changing tidal range in 2-week period produces changing power. Changing tidal range. Changing tidal range in 2-week periods. In 2 weeks period. 2 weeks period produces changing power. The turbines are required to operate at variable head. The turbines are required okay, to operate variable head, to operate variable head. Another one is the requirement of the large water volume flow at low head necessitates parallel operation of many turbines. Tidal flood disrupt marine life at the location and can cause potential harm to ecology. Okay. Another one is the tidal energy technology. Tidal energy technology. Tidal energy technology. The main component of a tidal plant, first one is the dam, barrage or dike. First one is the dam. Okay. First one is the dam. A barrier constructed to hold water. A barrier constructed to hold water. Second one, sluice ways rapid control gate, especially bulb type power turbine generator. Okay, bulb type power turbine generator, bulb type power turbine generator. Okay. Another special bulb type power turbine generator sets steel shell containing an alternator and special Kaplan turbine. Tidal range power. Consider a water trapped at high tide in a basin of area A and allowed to run out through a turbine at low tide. Okay. Power generation from tide. Suppose if you draw the diagram. Okay, power generation from tides. Draw the diagram. First one, there is a position of the turbine. Okay, this one is the sluice. Okay, another one is the dam or barrage. Okay, dam or barrage. This one is the high tide level. Okay, ocean level. Okay, range R. Okay, this one is the turbine. Another one is the okay, another one is this one is the height, H, small height, DH. Okay, and another this one is the gate, sluice gate. Okay, gate, ups and down, and this one is the area A. Okay, area A. Okay, so first one, dW is equal to dm into g into h. dW, okay, তাহলে first one, basin of area A, capital A. The potential energy in the mass water stored intermediate head dH and head H. dW is equal to dm into G into B. Okay. dm is equal to rho A dV. dm mass flow rate, rho A dV. Okay, rho A dV. Thus dW equal to dW is equal to rho A GH. Okay, rho A GH dV. Okay. Total potential energy of water stored in the basin is total potential energy. Total potential energy of water stored in the basin of water stored in the basin. Okay, water stored in the basin is W equal to, okay, W is equal to integration 0 to capital R, 0 to capital R integration, okay, rho A GH dV. Okay, rho A GH dH. Okay, this one is the rho is equal to density of water. Okay, rho is equal to density of water. G is equal to gravitational constant. Okay, G is equal to gravitational constant. Assuming an average seawater density 1025, assuming average seawater density 1025 kg per meter cube, the average theoretical power generated in one filling or emptying of the basin P average equal to 1025 into 9.80, 1025 into 9.80 into A into R square 2 into 22350. Okay, P average is equal to 0.225 into A into R square watts. P average is equal to 0.225 into A into R square watts. Okay, thus tidal power developed directly proportional to the area of the basin, directly proportional. Okay, directly proportional to the area of the basin, directly proportional to the area of the basin, directly proportional to the area of the basin. Second one, square of the range. Okay, directly proportional to the square of the range, okay, square of the range. The actual power generation by a practical system would be less than the average theoretical power given in the above expression due to frictional losses of the fluid. Okay, and conversion efficiency of the turbine and generator, and due to the fact that the turbine cannot be operated down to zero head, and thus full power generation potential cannot be utilized. Okay, and W is equal to, very important, W equal to integration. Actually, after integrating you get the result W is equal to half rho A G capital R square minus small r square. That is the W. Okay, half rho A G capital R square minus small r square. Okay, and another one is the ocean tidal energy conversion. Ocean tidal energy conversion scheme, the main tidal energy conversion scheme, single basin effect and single basin double effect, two basin linked basin, two basin paired basin, tidal flow or tidal current schemes. Okay.